Welcome back to our mukbang video. Our mukbang for today is the Taste of Korea, which located third floor Gourmet Express Food Courts, Alwada Mall, Abu Dhabi, UAE. It is authentic Korean restaurant serving unlimited Korean barbecue and eat all you can buffet. So hey everyone mga munchies! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to take you on a flavorful adventure as we dive into the taste of Korea at Alwada Mall. If you're new here, I explore amazing cuisines and hidden foodie gems, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Mouse Munchies. Now, let's head inside and see what's inside of this restaurant. As soon as we walk in, I could already feel the charm of this place. The decor is stunning, traditional Korean elements like hanbok displays, wooden divers, and soft lantern lighting give the space such as a cozy, authentic vibe. It's like stepping into the little piece of Korea sa Alwada. Siyempre, kakalain mo dito sa Abu Dhabi, dadali nila ang kanilang traditional na food cuisine dito sa UAE, di ba? The staff was very good, warm welcome. Like, annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. Di ba nakakatawa yun? Pero super talaga ang ganda. Napaka-smiling face nila mga munchies. And walk me through their extensive menu. They're known their Korean barbecue, traditional stews, and some modern twists on the classic dishes. Dito kasi, grilled barbecue sila at saka yung kanilang buffet na nakaahin pagbungad pa lang sa restaurant na yun. At alam mo kung magkakano munchies? 49 dirhams per each persons, di ba? Napaka pasok sa bulsa, pasok sa budget mga munchies. So they are known for their Korean barbecue and traditional stews. So there's something for everyone here, whether you're a seasoned fan of Korean food or trying it for the first time like us. So let's start sa mga ito, mga appetizers. So, meron sila mga iconic banchan. These are small side dishes that are staple in every Korean meal. So, just look at this spread sa kanilang mga classic spicy, tangy kimchi, crunchy pickled radish, steamed broccoli with sesame oil, and may mga sweet marinated fish cake sila. And sa aking favorite talaga is yung kanilang tteokbokki. Ang sarap. May mga fish cake at may mga salad din sila, mga potato salad. So, they're so unlimited, so you can keep asking for the refills. Pwede kang magpunta doon pumila, di ba, to enjoy your main dishes. Now, there's a lots of appetizers. So, the seafood, may mga pancake, seafood pancake, and it's golden brown, crispy on the outside, and packed with shrimps, squids, and scallions. Hindi namin ito pinakita magis doon kasi sa sobra namin excited kumain, in-indulge na namin agad. Nilamutak namin agad mga munchies. Diba? When you dip it into this soy-based sauce, it's the perfect combination of the savory at mga umami flavor nila. Yung nga, nag-order kami ng mga tteokbokki, the spicy cakes ba. These are the simmered in the rich gochujang. Tama ba ang akong pagkabigkas? Gochujang sauce, giving them the sweet signature and a spicy kick. The texture is so chewy and satisfying. It's like a warm hug for your taste buds. Diba? Tsaka doon sa mismo, nila, kung saan kami umupo doon kami sa dulo eh. So, parang napaka-private. Tapos, yung mga surroundings namin is ang gagandang mga decoration, tsaka ang ganda ng lighting, nakapaka-ambience. Yung pag kumakain ka, gano'n, tapos yung tunog ba ng Korea, yung kanilang traditional music, diba? So, nagsaserve din sila ng mga Korean barbecue kung saan doon sa mismong table namin is may, sila, yung self-barbecue grill. Makikita mo doon at doon nila i-prepare. Siyempre, sasamahan ka nung staff nila para i-guide ka nila kung paano or i-execute ba kung paano gawin yung pag-cut, ganon. At bibigyan ka nila ng mga iba-ibang utensils para gamitin doon. So, they bought out most gorgeous cuts of meat, thin sliced beef bulgogi, thick cut pork belly, and even marinated short ribs or galbi. The server set up nga may table grill sila, and the sizzle of the meat hitting the hot grill was music to our ears. Cooking your food right at the table is such fun and interactive experience. It's a great for groups and even casual solo meals. As the meat cooks, the aroma is just irresistible. Where the wrapping the pork belly crisp, lettuce leaves, adding a dollop of samjang or the savory sweet sauce, some garlic, and a bit of rice. What is the result? Ano kayang, ano mo doon, di ba? A bite that's smoky, juicy, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Bibigyan kita ng tip, pair with your barbecue with a sip of soju. Pero, syempre dear, walang soju, no? Sa mga ibang restaurant meron. Or the Korean rice wine, di ba? To elevate the experience even more. So next, we're moving on to some classics comfort dishes. Itong napili namin yung mga side dishes nila. We have kimchi jjigae, a rich and spicy kimchi, stew with tofu, pork, and just the right amount of heat. This dish is perfect on a cold day or really any day. It's the hearty flavor and warms you from inside out. We also try the soft tofu stew, served in a bubbling hot, or the son double J. The silky tofu combined with the seafood and mildly spicy broth is pure comfort in a bowl. If you've never had this before, I highly recommend it na i-try niyo yun. Masarap. At saka yung kanilang mga rice noodles, of course, di ba? So, no Korean meal, no Korean talaga, na complete without some rice and noodles. We ordered bibimbap, one of the most Korean dishes. It comes in sizzling hot stone bowl filled with vibrant vegetables, marinated beef, runny egg, and signature gochujang sauce. When you mix all together, the heat from the bowl creates crispy bits of rice at the bottom, and it's absolutely delicious, dear. And for the noodles lovers, yung jjajangmyeon, this stick with noodles go to the savory black bean noodles. Pero yung pinili namin is yung crystal na noodles. At of course, our desserts and drinks, masarap, parang rice cake. Para silang yung same ng same ng Pilipinas, bibingka, ganon. Masarap yun mga manchis. At meron silang bingsu, yung Korean shaved ice dessert topped with red bean, condensed milk, and chewy mochi pieces. It's light and refreshing, the perfect way to cool down and after a spicy meal. So let's not forget the drinks, of course. We sip some refreshing like a pineapple. Hindi, may siya, kick up ng cinnamon flavor. So masarap yun, dear. So both pair beautifully with meal. Diba? Masarap mga manchis. So, thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your favorite Korean dish and hit that subscribe button for more foodie adventures, mga manchis. So, until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. Annyeonghaseyo, mga manchis. Bye-bye! Love, love, love. No bashing, just eating for fun. Love you!